What is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey back with another video. So we got a little bit of a highway POV, and then I'm gonna get off at some point. So don't worry, I got you guys. I need some gas too. I'm at 85 miles left. But we're gonna play some music, vibe out, and go from there.
In the room, I'ma teach them a lesson. Play with you, they ain't gonna make the news. Girl, I see you was stressing. Call off out of work, they say Peru. Girl, they shit on your messy. Let me heat it up, I don't even need a spoon. At now, fuck, see you soon. Other times so you can see them all. Even when I lie, shit is true.
Los fans de la Big Mac sabemos que solo hay una Big Mac. ¿Qué es eso? La Chicken Big Mac. No es que no sea una Big Mac, es la Chicken Big Mac. Lleva caballetas buenas. Sexual turn my mind on, getting my brain right, I think you're getting me all attached, giving me brain right, Glad I shot my shot, move like Olympics, I'm feeling like Usain, I be OP, dog, move like I'm Chucky, I'm move like rubber, All of these niggas be saying I'm bugging, but I just should know there's something, yeah. All of these bitches be saying I'm bugging, but I just be chasing the bag for me. That's what I got, they not compatible. All that Uzi, I don't need no friends, yeah. RP to the legend, yeah, Matthew. Now the niggas don't stay in the end, yeah. Cook, clean, know how to fuck, baby, I know what you mean, yeah. That pussy be shining, you wet like a two-tone, watch it, you know I'm a fiend, I do not feel like Magic Johnson, but I got feel like Ian, Why do you think that I had the same flow, bitch? See what I'm seeing, yeah. Matter of fact, I don't see no one fly die, yeah. You show me that you about to die. Always wondering what's in my mind, yeah. Think about you all the time. Lot of other shit all in my head, yeah. Lot of niggas, they say they gon' do something. I be focused on getting the bread. All my niggas will really go do something to you. I really just want you to know you a flex. Moving like Mr. Fantastic, I ain't never disappointed too far on my chest. I'm a bean, I'm a savage, yeah. You a little freak ass girl. Ain't on my cock and you move like ball, yeah. Moving like Luffy and I got the one piece, yeah. I got a show, Sapiosexual, turn my mind on, get on my brain, right, I think you getting me all attached, giving me brain, right, but I shot my shot, move like I love it, so I'm feeling like you said, I be all geeked up, move like I'm Chucky, I move like a Rugrat, all of these niggas be saying I'm bugging, but I just should notice something, yeah. All of these bitches be saying I'm bugging, but I just be chasing the bag for me. I swear to God, they're not compatible. Pull out Uzi, I don't need no friends, yeah. RP to the legend and method. A lot of niggas don't stay in the end, yeah.
All my feelings, I'll put you in the right place. Going out your way, you might be the best, yeah. Baby, I'm feeling for you, know that's so bad, bad. I need some healing, I just can't go back.
I'm me.
This is my second time seeing this M340 right there. M340s are so nice, bro. I don't know if people don't like them. I see why it's such a hyped car, though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I actually can see the hype behind it. Like, they sound amazing, they look good, they're fast as shit, like, you know? Amazing car, for sure. Not that bad, not that bad. Yeah, as you guys know too, I was thinking of getting that external mic and hooking it up to my exhaust, which it'll probably sound crazier, but I can't talk in the video unless I do I can't talk in the video unless I do like a voiceover, which is no fun at all anyway. So I don't know, I really wasn't a fan of it, honestly. So I'm gonna just continue this GoPro style because I actually like it, because you guys could still hear the car and you still get a POV out of it, so it's not that bad of an idea, honestly. Not too shabby. Everyone has these Jeeps down here, but then if you go on TikTok will literally convince you as to why to not get a Jeep. Like, there was this girl I saw that bought, I think it was a 2024, and she was stranded on the side of the highway. Her car would not start. I'm like, a 24? Like, I understand that they're kind of cheap and stuff like that, but a 2024 should not be breaking down on the side of the highway. I'm sorry. That's the last thing that should be happening. Sounds so good with the burbles. All right, let me see if I can get in front of these people. Let's see. with these burbles. Woo. Yeah, I just need it louder, so I'm definitely gonna get an exhaust soon. Not sure when exactly. I want to really narrow it down. I want to make sure, you know, whoever installs it is gonna do the right thing, so I don't get no codes popping up on the dash. So I'll definitely go from there. Go. She understood the assignment. Get out the way, because there's a big C8 behind me and he got places to be. Understood. But yeah, I kind of like this area. It's always chill here. It's pretty nice. So many places to eat here. So many places to eat here. But yeah, I'm really liking Florida right now. It's just been really windy the past week or so. But I do enjoy, you know, it's cold other places, but it's really nice here still. So that's one of the things that will always make me love Florida. But it's been like really windy. I'm talking like hurricane winds. So wings. Wow. 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 Look at that. Look at that. But yeah. Also, in this mall has a lot of places to eat too. Yeah, I think it's like I love how this sounds, man. It sounds so good. Oh my gosh. I can't get over it. Should I just turn here? I'm gonna go down a little bit more. But yeah, the only people that hate CH are the ones who never drove them. I swear, every hater I see that's like, oh, you're a wannabe Ferrari, has never driven a C8 a day in their life, ever. The ones who are like, you know what, I'm not a fan, but I respect C8s, they actually drove them. And they simply just don't like C8s, as is. But now the C8, I actually really wanted a C8 in blue. If anyone knows, blue is my favorite color, so I was really hoping to get it in blue, but this spec came fully loaded for the right price. Who's passing up on a fully loaded C8 with white interior and white seats? You're not passing up on that. And it's gonna hold its value anyway. So but yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you guys want to see. I got some more collabs coming up. A car meet I'm posting is gonna be before I upload this video, and I have a couple of collabs coming on the way, so stay tuned for the content. I hope you guys keep enjoying, keep watching. I appreciate it. And you know, make sure to give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.